If you're anything like me, it's almost impossible to look around at the events of the world nowadays without thinking to yourself, when did everything become so crazy? Wars everywhere, extreme political division, social issues, governments becoming more and more tyrannical, trying to take our freedoms away, virtue signalling, and superficial values on social media. Everyone seems to have an opinion, and they're trying their hardest to make you agree with their agenda. So, from a therapist's perspective, what is the result of this constant bombardment of insanity? Well, it's having a negative effect on a large section of the population's mental health. People are feeling more anxious, often with a sense of dread that something big is about to happen. It's causing rifts amongst families as people have become so politically polarised that they defend their opinions aggressively, meaning that the other person's opinions must be wrong. Lots of people are feeling hopeless and pessimistic about the future state of the world, and they feel like they are totally out of control, and this is just completely exhausting them. This makes a lot of people give their power away to governments or authority figures in the hopes that they will keep them safe or that they will solve the problems for them. In my experience, however, it has come to my attention that it is very unlikely any governments or authorities have our best interests at heart. They are acting in their best interest, and that certainly doesn't align with that which is best for the people. So what can you do to better handle everything that is happening in the world? Firstly, you need to realise that which is not in your control. If you're watching the news about all the things wrong with the world, but you can't personally do anything about it, then it is a complete waste of time. I use the mantra, the world's problems are not my problems. Whatever happens in this world, it is out of my control, and it will happen the same way whether I pay attention to it or not. So if you want to be free from the craziness, the first step is to stop looking at it. Secondly, stop defending your point of view and listen to other people. Perhaps you disagree with something about politics. Opinions work like this. If I am right, they must be wrong. By that logic, the person arguing back must also believe that they are right and you are wrong. Become more open-minded. Perhaps they know something that you don't know. Ask them questions to find out why they believe their views. Then explain yours. Make sure you stay calm so you have a discussion rather than an argument. If at the end of the day you still disagree, that's fine. The phrase agree to disagree should make a comeback. Thirdly, focus on yourself and your intentions for your life. This is the only area where you can actually make a difference, so it makes sense that this is where you put your energy. Focus on all the things that you want to do to improve your life and the life of the people around you. Where you put your attention is where your energy goes. When you stop wasting your energy on the events of the world, you can begin to change the world, little by little. It's not about trying to fix everything that is going on, but to become the best person you can be in spite of all the craziness. As Gandhi said, be the change you want to see in the world.